Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Comfy Org stream. I'm here with Phil, Machine Delusions, and I, as always, am Purz. How's everybody doing today? We did some really fun Qwen stuff on Friday. So, the days went on, and then bickety bam, we got a new Qwen model. So we're going to cover that while we're in the Qwen district. Um, this is really cool. We talked about this last week, but Qwen is an Apache model. So, commercially speaking, sort of all bets are off with this model. So it's sort of a fun playground to explore, and it sort of doesn't have the same trappings that the closed source models have. The same issues with some of the copyright stuff. So you will likely be able to get some stuff out of here you would normally get out of other models and things like that. Today we're going to play with the FP8 version, which runs on consumer level GPUs, considering you're a consumer with 24 gigs of VRAM. But there are now quantizations for this model. Not the edit yet, but the original Qwen image model. So you can get it going on lower VRAM. However, the model we're playing with today only has an FP8 and FP16 version. The FP8 is like 20 something gigs and the FP16 is 40 gigabytes. So I'm going to show you how to get the FP8 going on your machine. But then we're going to slide on over to Phil's machine because he can actually run the big one. So we'll compare what the FP8 is like versus the full model. Long story short, what we found so far is the FP8 is not as good at text as the big one. But it is still a really capable, really fun, really interesting model that definitely rivals Flux Context and GPT Image 101. I can't remember what they call their image model, but it is right up there with those ones, and it's open source. So here we go. Let's jump on over to the blog post. Well, it's not a blog post yet. You'll see a blog post soon about this, but for right now, there's a link in the description below. If you want to play with this, you just go down to the docs.comfy.org link in there for the Qwen-Image-Edit stuff. And if you scroll down in this document, you'll see this image here, and underneath it, there's a download JSON button. You can either download this image or download this JSON. They will both function as the workflow when you pull them into Comfy. Model links are here. There are also model links when you load it up. So easy peasy. I'll talk about Qwen-Image-Edit just real quickly. Qwen-Image-Edit is the image editing version of Qwen-Image, further trained based on the 20B model of Qwen-Image, supporting precise text editing and dual semantic / appearance editing capabilities, which generally means you can make changes to more than one object in the scene. Qwen-Image-Edit is the image editing version of Qwen-Image. It is further trained, like we said, successfully extending Qwen-Image's unique text rendering capabilities to editing tasks, enabling precise text editing. In addition, Qwen-Image-Edit feeds the input image into both Qwen 2.5 VL, their visual language model, for visual semantic control, and the VAE encoder for visual appearance control. So it's feeding that image into 3 different places to give the system lots of information about what it's looking at. It thus achieving dual semantic and appearance editing capabilities. So it's not only able to edit the image, but it's able to look at the image. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Other models do this, but it's just good to have more. And yeah, I can say it does have pretty precise text editing with the 40B or the 40 gig model. The FP8 though, the text stuff's a little shaky on that. So I'm hoping we get maybe a new fine tune, or I just saw there should be some new changes like within the next hour or so in Comfy that should help as well. There was a PR to the diffusers pipe this morning for this, regarding the way it sort of looks at images. So hopefully that's been rolled into Comfy now, and I'll pop an update and we'll see if that helps. But yeah, here we are, Qwen-Image-Edit. But before we dive into that, I would like to tell you all about a really cool thing that's coming up. It hasn't been announced yet, so you're hearing it before everybody else. So thank you for coming to these streams. It's really fun to have you here. We are having a Comfy challenge, a weekly challenge called the Comfy Challenge. There will be a really cool video explaining all of this stuff, so don't feel like you need to understand it all from me right now. But every Tuesday, we're going to announce a new theme on X, Discord, and all of our other socials. And it'll come with starter assets, either, a keyword, a first frame, a workflow, or a prompt template. And you can all do your own thing with that starting image. We don't want to put a lot of rules on you. Comfy is a giant, wide open field of things you can do. So the start image, whatever, these are all suggestions. Like we want to see what you can do with Comfy, with what all the tools that you use. Any AI model or tool is welcome, but please do, as much as you can in Comfy, most of what you can in Comfy. It's a 6-day challenge every week, starts on Tuesday, ends on Sunday. And then on Monday, we're going to judge, and the winner will get either a cash prize or the equivalent ComfyUI credits, whichever you prefer. You will also get a weekly spotlight post on all of our socials, outlining your work and what you do. And hopefully you'll be able to give us some more work and we can make a little showcase for you. And we'll be able to showcase all of our amazing artists' work. The format will be defined each week, and the starter assets will be provided. There will be a form for submission, and then you just post on socials and tag us, and then we can verify. Multiple submissions are always welcome. And by submitting, you agree. We might share the videos on public channels, obviously, but we will always give you credit. That's the point. There are runway nodes for Comfy, just saying. The ComfyUI team will judge it, and last week's winner will vote. So if you won last week, you will have a say in who wins the next week. It's a cool way of sort of, paying it forward. And we'll announce winners every Tuesday with the post and the video montage. The first week, the announcement was coming soon, but it will be called Turnaround. This is the starting image, is a little kitty cat in a suit. And here's the depth map. And it's start frame and the depth map. Do whatever you like. Tell us a story. You can use a different cat. It's all good. We just want you to use this as a launching point. So there will be a blog post about this released very soon with all the information. But for now, this is what we have, and we're looking super forward to seeing all the amazing stuff that you guys make for these, because you're already making this stuff anyway. You might as well point it at something like this, and we can all enjoy each other's work together. Right on. So that is the Comfy challenge, and look for that post very soon. All right, we're back to Qwen. So let me go back over to ComfyUI. There it is. So as you can see, it works. Thanks, everybody. Stream's over.
We're off to a good start. Yes. Perfect.
I was able to put a top hat on my head, and then I was able to put a bow on that top hat. That's pretty cool. Can we do a hard cut after the turn, or does it have to be one take? No. We're not going to be crazy about the rules. You just make something cool and submit it. Don't worry about it. Please just have fun with it. That's the whole point. Maybe it's the idea of a cat turning around that you're playing with. Can I do a handstand? No. But we can see if I can do a handstand on here. The man is doing a handstand. If I'm just standing on my hands and they're just feet, or my feet are hands.
It's very possible.
Okay. Actually, I'll run through the workflow real quick while this is going. Oh! Nailed it. Yep. You know what's crazy? Those actually kind of look like my shoes. It has no idea what my shoes look like.
I was muted. Sorry. That's impressive, man. I mean, I don't know if anyone's tried to get in the past a diffusion model to like make someone upside down.
Yeah.
That's really hard to do.
It is. The man is diving off a high diving board into a pool. Let's see if we can go upside down again.
It just goes to show you like how much training data they threw at this thing.
Drop the mic. We're done. Oh yeah, that's not a very high diving board, and I'm still wearing my suspenders because, I don't want my pants to fall down in the water.
Purz, you've made your way into the models.
I hope not. We are starting with an image of me, by the way, people. We're not just putting in the man is diving off of diving board, and it's just making me every time. Um, so yeah, this workflow is available on that documents page that I posted in the description below. You just drag it in, and then all the model links are here, and it tells you which folders they go in right down here. So easy peasy. Do remember this is a very large model. Let me do a run real quick, and we'll test it. The man is fighting a bear. VRAM, I am currently hitting, oh boys, 29 gigabytes of VRAM. So if you are doing this on a 24 gig card, it might or it might kind of dip into system memory a bit. For the stream, I've rented a 5090, so that's why I've got 32 gigs of VRAM here to play with. So that's why it's kind of working fast. Are we fighting? AI Santa, yeah.
Disagreements at best, I
Yeah.
suppose.
I mean, yeah, like, no, I'll pay for dinner. No, you got dinner last time.
I said I wanted salmon, not tuna.
The beekeeper is afraid of all the bees. Yeah, you'll notice I'm doing these in 4 steps, which is pretty nuts. Yeah, it's very fast. There's only one bee. And it does seem to lose me when I type the man, but if I were to put, or the beekeeper, The bees. Oh God, the bees, not the bees. Any Nicolas Cage fans in the audience? Yeah, I know. There's a 5090 on my desk and I'm renting one. I'm aware of this, but that is a problem for future Purz. There we go. Okay. No glasses. Let's just see how it is as an editing model. Yeah, I mean, I would explain this workflow, but it's very simple. The K sampler settings are at the bottom here. So in our case, we're using the FP8 E4M 3FN with the 4-step LoRa. So we're doing that at 4 steps with a CFG of 1. If you were to increase the, oh, cool. Oh, no, they're still there. They're just like thinner. And it actually kind of does the same thing Context does with the strange sort of hair and beards and stuff. So, look out for that. Although I am curious to see if it does that on yours.
Yeah, I'm playing. I just got it all loaded right now.
Oh, nice. What did I do? Oh, yeah, Pokemon. Res 2M beta. I don't know. Maybe we could try it. Res multi-step beta. Okay. Oh, yeah. He's a smiley guy. What was the prompt? Pokemon. Okay. Let's try Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
I'm going to have to get that LoRa. That's all I've got to say.
How do the latest samplers and schedules work within the nodes in ComfyUI? Any advice which one works best with Qwen? I have no advice for you. Just play with stuff. But that being said, on our Discord and Banadoko and a bunch of the other places, definitely ask because people have done tests and have opinions. This one looks maybe a little washed out. What about just a regular turtle? It's going to put a turtle on my head. I know it. I don't think there's a bong mode. Can you test colorization and restoration of old photos? Yeah, sure. Oh, wow. The turtle's sort of wearing the same colors I was wearing.
Are you testing just the straight image capabilities of the model?
Mm-hmm. Let's try that. Let's try to find an old photo restoration photo. I don't want I just want the before. Before. So one, oh, that'd be a good one. Copy image. Paste. Let's try just type restore image first. See what it does. Res for life node pack. Yes. You can't judge what a model looks like by the 5 generations we've done here. It just put lipstick. It did kind of like clean up the quality of the face a bit, but it really just put makeup on her. Okay, what is restore image? Get rid of the cracks. Clean up the distortion. Let's see if it can take like orders. Yeah, that's the bat, clown, shark, bat, shark, clown, bat wing, shark, clown, shark, bat wing nodes. Am I saying that right? Bat, clown, shark wing.
Good guy, bad shark, I think it's called.
Clown shark nodes? Okay,
Yeah,
it's kind of starting to do the thing.
You trying? Oh, nice. Yeah, the real power of these models is going to be the ability to train your own pairings. That's how we're always the fun is where
clown shark batwing. Thanks. Yeah, I knew I'd get the combination eventually. Driving an 18-wheeler, drinking a beer. This is somebody's grandma. Okay, she's in there probably. Just assume she's in there. Nailed it. Phil has joined. We lost you.
What happened? I didn't do anything.
We lost you, bruh.
I am running the unquantized model, so maybe.
Oh, did you try to run one?
No, I've been running it. It's doing the thing.
I'm curious what it does with a depth map. Use this depth map to dream a cat. Can you show a comparison that shows the impact of the 4-step LoRa versus full steps? It's not worth it to go full steps, in my opinion, but I will. I wasn't seeing enough of a big difference. Okay. It didn't dream a cat. Color in the image. It's possible it just doesn't know what depth maps are. Very possible.
I feel like it should know.
And yet, maybe I'm just prompting it incorrectly. Okay, I do. I'm gonna go back to that picture of me because it's high res. Or actually, this one will work. That'll work. Okay. Um, fake mustache, smoking a cigar. Try using an empty latent. Yeah.
Right, that is true because context was able to use an empty latent.
That's fantastic. I need to add an image stitch node so you guys can see the comparison. Okay, let's try an empty latent.
Can confirm works really well, actually.
That's great. Okay, so we're not going to VA encode. We're going to do what kind of empty latent do you use for this?
Just straight up a normal, just
I thought
normal
it was
empty
the
latent.
Hunyuan one.
No, it's not a video model.
Oh yeah.
Just normal single latent, baby.
It's probably, I don't know, 12V. I don't know, 1024 by 1024, I guess.
Yeah, I've been playing around with res. I'm at 1280 squared as a bucket size, but yeah, it seems to be doing fine.
Just making sure everything is cool. All right, that should do it. Let's try that with an empty latent. What I did there was just made sure that my input image was the same size as my latent so that there's no weird aspect nonsense. Oh yeah, we need to grab the crop. This version needs to go. Yeah. That might look better, actually. Hard to say. The upscale will deform the image. No, it won't. It's crop. It's a crop. We cropping. Don't worry. Okay, let's try her. SD3 latent? Yeah. Do the stitch image reference trick. Can you do the stitch image? Oh, I guess you can do the stitch image reference trick if you're not using it as a latent anymore. I see. Smarty pants.
I'm just building a monstrosity over here.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So business as usual then.
Yeah, pretty much.
Where did I put that picture? I should organize these someday. But then, I'd have to organize them. This is kind of fun. I was just drawing graffiti on myself. Sad man in clown makeup. A new node that is pretty good called master resolution. Oh, okay. Get image size node. Yes, there is. Yeah, no, this is a very fun model. All right, so there is a blue bird on the left shoulder. We're going to just keep adding stuff and see what happens.
Just loop it.
Mhm. Okay, we got a blue bird on his left shoulder. That's the camera's left, not my left, but whatever. A red bird on the right shoulder. I'm curious where it runs out of capacity. Okay.
Oh man.
Okay. 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 The tree is growing mushrooms. I'm going to be a Disney princess in T minus. So all the birds just flock to me. Oh, okay. I'm the tree now. The tree is growing mushrooms. Okay. Okay. The red bird is wearing a purple hat. Ooh, try that. Didn't quite get there with the tree mushrooms. But I do like how the red bird is perched on the mushroom. Oh, what did I ask for? Purple hat? It looks like it masked it and then didn't finish the job or something.
Super weird.
I'm gonna run that one again. Can we use two images like context? I believe you can if you disable the VAE encode on the image and then send that stuff through the clip, stitched, but don't. Yeah, rotation for sure. Oh, there's the purple hat. Okay, that was just a bad run. Okay. There is a clock on the tree. Are you going to try stitching and mixing two images together for this image get it quad metal? You guys seem like you really want to see if this works.
Do it.
I mean, it's still doing the thing here. This is great. Clock on the tree. What else? It's nighttime. But can it turn a beaver into a platypus? Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed by this model. That's like 5 things.
Yeah.
Blue bird, red bird, purple hat, clock on the tree. It's still dark.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It's really good.
Yeah.
And this is the FP8. Like, wow.
Yeah, the full precision model is very impressive. We'll jump over in a second and show you guys, but I'm kind of building, one of those workflows that we've all kind of, or the space in general has been striving for, and that's like character consistency, and the main driver for that is getting a bunch of data of your character doing various things, and I'm just like one-shotting it over here. So yeah,
I'm gonna see if I can put the Comfy logo on my shirt or something. Okay, so what I've done here is I've just stitched these two images together, cropped center. So I'll show you guys what the preview looks like there. That'll be down here once it's done. We're going to feed this So now we have this, which is what you would feed into context, right? An image side by side with the thing you want to do stuff with. And so we're going to take that image stitch and feed it into our image from the clip. Beep, 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 beep. And we're going to leave it out of the VAE encoder because we're using this empty latent. So now we have the right size, but then these two images will feed into the conditioning. This might take more VRAM. It might not. I don't know. So I'm just going to put no prompt for now and just see what it does when those two images kind of smush together. Actually, I'm going to grab this and pull it over here for 1 minute, just in case. I just realized I did a no prompt run. Yeah, we're good. It's important to check. This is actually really cool. It definitely did the thing. It definitely did the thing. Wow. Put the logo on the man's shirt. That looks cool. That's very impressive.
Yeah, this is nice. So what, you just concatenated them together?
I did.
Nice. Easy.
Boom.
I mean, come on.
Boom.
Yeah, I mean, like, look at that crease.
Done.
That
Yeah.
crease fold.
I know, it's like actually like on the shirt.
That's funny. I bet if you re-rolled the seed a few times, you could probably get it looking a little cleaner too. However, it did the thing, right? If
It
the
sure did.
logo is the blue, keep the blue, right? Like,
It's pretty consistently doing the thing, yeah. The man is DJing with the logo up above in bright lights. Like, I wonder how it can do, you know? Wow. Yo.
yeah, that's tight.
There you go, friends. You can totally do the thing. Just to walk that back a little bit, I'm upscaling, quote unquote, both images to 1024 by 1024. Then I'm stitching those two images together down here. I'm sorry, let me zoom in on that. And then I'm feeding those images into the conditioning nodes, which is up here, the text encode Qwen-Image-Edit, both of them. But I'm not feeding it into the VAE encode because that would make it run, a double wide image with the wrong input stuff. So instead, we're running an empty latent image into here, and we're using that to determine our canvas size. And then bickety bam, it did the thing.
Yeah, this is nice.
Alibaba. This is Alibaba, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wow.
Is this from the same group that makes One? Like, what explain why it's so impressive? Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Wow, look at
slaying.
that. Yeah, that's just me leaving one comfy yacht to the other comfy yacht. Just taking the small yacht to the big yacht.
Purz, switch your sampler to LCM and then scheduler simple. I'm getting less burnt results. I'm noticing like some high contrast. Try that out. Now, obviously, I'm on a different quants, but like,
Yeah, no,
there you go.
Well, Quality's not quite as good.
It looks more natural though,
Yeah, it
like a
does.
natural image.
That looks really cool. Well, this LoRa is a 4-step LoRa, so if I increase the steps, it'll just get worse. But you can just turn the LoRa off.
Turn it
You can
down.
do a big fat 20 step if you want. 2.5.
Big fat 20 step.
Big fat 20 step. 20 step on you.
No, this is really, really good. Wow, dude. Wow. Holy moly.
Yeah, let's slide over to yours while we wait 3 months for mine to finish.
Okay. Comfy share.
Nice.
Okay, so what I've got going on over here, just so we don't get confused, I know it's spaghetti time, but we're basically just loading the model. I'm loading the unquantized full precision, pretty much the exact same everything that Purz is already running, model sampling. I'm actually patching Sage Attention just for that little bit of speed. Actually, it's disabled right now. Let's turn that on. And then I'm also running the Lightning 4-step.
Yeah.
And everything else is pretty much the same. I'm rendering at innate. I'm bucketing basically at 1280 squared. So this image, actually, it's already 1280, so it'll just be this native size. And the prompts are really simple. Put the character's arms up, rotate the character 45 degrees, put the character sitting on a chair, and my God, the results are really impressive.
Mm-hmm.
Like character consistency is on point with this model. It's like a synthetic data generator's dream. Like
Yeah,
I can
this
just
is
come over
crazy.
here and just like I one-shotted this, like I want to put that into perspective. Like I did not like re-roll and try to cherry pick seeds. I just like put the workflow together and hit go, and it did it based on the prompt. And it's like, holy crap.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. And so, I mean, like, there are some terminology things I needed to play with. But yeah, I mean, like the hand quality, and this is 4 steps.
What's a question there for you, Phil?
Let me see. Can he do a handstand? Okay. Let's get rid of the bench one. That one's pretty basic. Make the character doing a handstand. Oh, it's patching Sage Attention, so it's gonna zippity doodah through all of these, but it's quite quick. 4 steps. Just to run through the workflow very quickly. It's basically the same workflow duplicated 8 times.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm batching them together, all the 8 results. And then I just have a image batch to grid. So 4 images per row. The first image being, the far left, and then the 4x4, or I guess 4x2. Oh my God, I did it.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
Oh, man.
We lost his hat, but you know what? If I was doing
That's
a
what would
handstand,
happen.
yeah, exactly. I would lose the hat.
Holy.
That's hilarious. Yeah.
Wow.
And the other thing too is we can put them in scenes. Put the character standing on a boat, holding a flag that says "comfy." Yeah, sure. And I don't know if it can type. Oh, I mean, yeah, it looks like it can type.
The full model's very good at text.
God damn.
Very good at text.
That's incredible.
It can edit text very effectively.
Okay,
you can change signs and stuff with it.
Holding a blue. I'm always interested to lock the seed and see. I changed one word or added a word. Okay, so it did change the boat. Composition stayed roughly the same,
Mm-hmm.
but um, it's incredible, man. The
Mm-hmm.
quality's really good.
I know.
1280, 944. Um, yeah, like I don't know about you, Purz, but like this is gonna be a really powerful tool in the tool belt. Even the
Yeah.
quantized version, like maybe the first round is not going to be as high quality, but like just run it through a second K sampler,
Yeah.
you're good to go, man.
No, it's wild. It's absolutely wild.
So how much Jesse asked how much VRAM the full precision is requiring.
It's a lot.
I Yeah, like if I just change the seed here and run this,
Feels
I
at
was at
50%.
Yeah, 52 gigabytes of VRAM, but nothing is quantized. Absolutely nothing.
Yeah, you're full. That's the whole
Yeah,
model
the
in
full the
memory.
full weights of the model. Even yeah, I guess this is scaled to FP8, and also 1280 if that.
Joke is you could actually fit the full one too.
Oh yeah, yeah, totally.
I
Um,
would, that might even improve it more because more precision in the clip model tends to help.
the reason why I don't is because I don't. Sure, my graphics card is great. My internet is not, and I don't want to wait
Yeah, I know it's like
2
14 gigs or
hours.
something
Yeah,
for
man, it's
the
so
clip.
my
Yeah,
poor hard drive is crying. Not even the graphics card, the hard drive is the bottleneck now.
yeah.
It's insanity. I don't know, Purz, what should we do? Should we try some styles? We have eight things here we can
Take
run
that
for styles.
take that anime picture I sent you of me
Okay.
and see if we can do
The
the
same thing.
turnaround on it. Yeah, see if we can
Okay.
like get a character out of it. Cuz if we can go from one image to a character, that's silly.
Character sitting on a bench, holding flowers on a white background. Okay. Do you have like a full body shot? Because like that would
I
be
don't.
preferred.
I don't. No.
Okay.
We'll have to use a different character then.
I have a bunch of characters I can just
Yeah,
start
just
throwing
grab a
in.
different character.
Okay, okay. Let's see. Yeah, this is my bread and butter. It has been for a while. Um, let's try like a 3D style. And that's the thing too, is like we're not even like describing style or anything. Like this is like really agnostic. Here, this is a fun one. I have a picture of a raccoon and he's got a golden necklace that says Phil. He's got super iridescent glasses. This is a great test, honestly, because this is a hard thing to copy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like that gradient, like the two tone on different lenses.
Mhm.
But yeah, let's hit it. Let's do it. Nothing
Hit it.
changed.
Hit it.
All
Is it the
right.
quantizing of the DIT model that degrades quality, or can we get away with a quantized text encoder put on a second GPU with a multi GPU workflow? I don't know where the bottleneck would be there, but it should work technically. I don't see why it wouldn't.
Yeah, in my like assumption, I think the weights being quantized are destroying more than the text encoder. I think the text encoder is more for prompt adherence. Like it depends on how they train the model, right? If they trained the text encoder and they didn't freeze the weights, um, obviously it's going to have some sort of an impact on the quality. But like generally speaking, the weights, the diffusion model is definitely doing more of the heavy lifting than the text encoder.
Hmm.
Um, but I would also assume that the text encoder is probably more responsible for type, getting like
Yeah.
really clean type. And so like we're done here already. And this one didn't do as good. Put the hands up, kneeling down, cross-legged, turn around, sitting in a chair. But the thing is like everything about the character is perfect. It's like zero
Yeah.
reference.
You might just have to because the other thing you can do with stuff like this is once you have this going, you can fix all the seeds and then just
Yeah.
seed dance the element that's not correct and
Yeah.
then do the next one, so you have that sort of perfect character sheet and then you can go from there.
Yeah, pretty much what I'm doing right now. And the thing with these models is the seeds are important, but sometimes it just is like the wording, right? Like, so in my example here, I'm like saying put the character kneeling down. But what if I just put like character,
Kneeling.
yeah, just character kneeling? Like, who knows how this thing will respond to different phrasing,
Yeah.
basically. That one didn't like it. How about character kneeling down on knees? The other characters seem to do it. This might just be like a complicated character for, yeah, I mean, there's so many variables here. But like, even as I switch the seed, like this image is barely changing. It's incredible. Like it just holds the quality so well. Character sitting on a pool. Floaty. Yeah, man, that's bonkers. 4 steps. Holy moly, man. Holy
Yeah.
moly.
And the chain is like,
Yeah, it's perfect.
My gosh.
Yeah, well, here's the other thing too, right? We can just start playing with the chain. Change his necklace to say Purz.
Purz.
Purz 5090. We gotta make it a little complicated.
Yeah.
Give it a challenge. I don't know. It says Purz.
It does.
It nailed the Purz.
It doesn't believe I got a 5090.
Per 9.
Per 9.
Change the necklace to be a cat. It's interesting to like, okay, so it's literally a cat head. That's what I wanted it to be. It's literally just a cat head.
That's great.
That's awesome. Put him in a puffy black jacket.
Yeah.
With
Grills.
a pink backpack.
Grills eating snakes.
Grills eating snakes.
With chopsticks.
With chopsticks.
We're just booging out here. We're going
Smiling
full J Boog right now.
in a bar.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. We're. Oh my god! I hate it. The fact that it like pretty much did the thing.
Oh, it's perfect. He's just picking his teeth with the chopsticks.
Okay, so yes, black jacket, pink. Okay, the black pack's not.
Yeah,
pink.
that looks good though.
It looks super good. I would not be disappointed.
No,
okay, pink
that's
jacket.
amazing.
It's incredible, man. Holy moly. Okay, well, I want to see SGM uniform. That's usually the LCM scheduler to go. Yeah, it doesn't really change much. How about like zoom in? No. This is one that Flux actually suffered with. Zoom the camera out.
Oh yeah.
This one, it suffered quite greatly. I don't know if this is even going to do the thing.
Yeah, sorry, pardon me. Didn't have enough coffee today.
Where were we? Zoom the camera out.
You got enough noodles, dude?
Aerial shot of the character walking in the park.
You don't have the plugin installed, do you?
For what? Sorry.
For the Droopy Noodles plugin.
Oh, I wish. That'd be so much fun here. Okay, I want to bump the CFG up to 2. I know we're using the. Oh, weird. I don't know if it helped at all, honestly. I was curious. What's the negative prompt do? Okay, CFG 2. I don't know. Realism. This is also taking an image. Weird.
The negative, yeah.
Yeah.
So, just so you all know, if you go to this link here and install it, and then go to your navigation settings and change your link type to Droopy, you can enable a physics engine for your noodles that will make them hang down low. Hang down low.
Yeah, in this context, it'd be terrible.
Yes, there would be a lot of droopy noodles there.
Yeah, I'm not sure what this negative thing is doing. I set the CFG to 2. I put glasses in the prompts. Like, I don't know.
I think at CFG2, you're basically not, doesn't like, if you're using the 4-step LoRa on a distilled model, you know what I mean? Like, at some point, I don't think negative prompt does anything.
Yeah. I mean, let's put it at 20. Send it.
Oh no.
Oh, whoa.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
This is why we're here. We want to break it.
Yeah, it's like glitch art from the 90s. It's like all the Photoshop filters.
This looks like Deep Dream, like V1. That's so strange. Put a scarf on him.
Oh, that's weird. Yeah.
Yeah, see, camera angles really suffer with these models, like pretty simple aerial shot of the character, like, I don't know, establishing.
Yeah, like top
shot of
down
the character.
isometric view. Do your noodles hang low?
Could be a resolution thing.
We tried to remove glasses.
Yeah.
Didn't really do the thing. But again, I was the FP8.
Yeah, I mean, if I just straight up say remove glasses, it'll 100% do it. Boom, they're gone. That's so sick, man. You
put remove glasses and then put them back.
Okay. Now we're just being mean. Oh no, I didn't do it.
It's like, I don't know what to do.
How about remove the glasses from his face and put them hanging off the necklace?
That's cool.
It's pretty complicated. No, I can't do it. No! You were doing so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, just change. Yeah, it's trying.
It's trying.
Yeah, but the camera angle thing is really frustrating.
Someone in the chat would like you to try to make him realistic.
Okay. Change the style to realism photography.
Or maybe just put photograph.
Ooh. No, that definitely worked. Okay, so this is where the LCM LoRa, the distilled LoRa, is actually not in our favor because it's making him look plasticky, which, is not what we want. Also, the LCM scheduler is probably not the best option here. Maybe Euler. Whatever.
Euler, yeah.
I like Euler.
Euler.
Yeah, it definitely helps. What if I just bump up the steps to like 20, even though I'm LCM in it?
Bypass the LoRa.
Yeah. All right, this is where we just go like this, and we just nuke everything. And we go all the way back to the beginning, and here we are.
And we're back.
Okay, 20 steps, 2.5. Eulers. Let's do beta and bypass. And then we'll say change the style to realism photography.
Do it.
Now do it. Kill him. What if I just said kill him? What would it do?
Oh God. It's just a white image. Like, it's like
it's a tombstone. Like there's no characters.
Oh, what are we gonna get? What did you put? Change it to realism photography?
Yeah, realism photography.
No, that's cool.
Yeah, I did it.
Well, friends, as you can imagine, this rabbit hole could go on forever. But
Yep.
this is what you can do with it. Go play with it. It's available on in Comfy. It's available, I believe, right on Alibaba's site. They have stuff to run this model at full width and all that stuff. So, yeah. Anybody got any questions?
I'm trying to get artsy with it.
Trying to get artsy.
All right, I'm turning the lore on. It's way too slow without it. I can't deal with it.
People just want you to make them real. Y'all gotta go play with it yourself.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a fun one.
Mm-hmm. Check it out. Yeah, I mean, the most amazing stuff about these models is just the fact that they actually adhere to the prompt now. So, like,
Yeah.
If you don't get it on the first try, change the seed, try it again, change the seed, try it again.
Change the phrasing.
Yeah, change the phrasing. And also, you can just train. I don't know if there's Qwen-Image-Edit, like if you can train them yet, but you probably can. It's probably similar to Flux,
Yeah.
before after type situation. So you're training sort of skills. So if you wanted it to remove people from images, you would do that, and then you remove the person and then have them side by side. Teach it that you want the person gone. You want this specific thing to happen. So yeah, please go forth, play with it. Let us know what you make. Tag us and check for that blog post in the challenge launch information and all that stuff. And please submit. We would love to see what you guys are making with all these cool tools. And we love coming and hanging out with you twice a week. And yeah, Tuesday is today. Thursday, we'll be on our Discord hanging out again. Phil and I and anybody else who is available. We'll be hanging out in the Comfy Discord, in the Comfy Lounge, and we'll probably either be doing this or we'll be playing with a very cool thing called Infinite Talk. Is it
Infinity talk.
Infinite Infinite Talk? Friends, when I tell you this thing
it's fun.
it's fun.
It's really fun.
I'll post an example on the Discord so you can see what I'm saying. If you want to check it out, check out my ex, Purz Beats. I dropped some examples of what you can do with Infinite Talk, which is a sort of it's a lot like multi-talk, which we haven't actually covered here. So maybe Thursday we'll dive into all that stuff in the sort of Discord format where you guys can talk to us and we can work it all out there. So it's less of a tutorial and more of a what can this thing do. So yeah, join us on Thursday, and then on Friday we'll be we might do a more formal stream on it, or maybe we'll do something else. Who knows? We'll see y'all on Thursday, we'll see y'all on Friday, and then we'll see y'all back again on Tuesday, and it'll just keep going and going and going. Thanks everybody, much love, have a great next couple days. We'll see you on Thursday, Friday, Thursday, Monday.
Drive safe, Purz.
Yeah, drive safe everybody. Bye